Hi, my name is Lori Ashmore Peters with the Ashmore Law Firm. You know, we get a lot of calls in here asking about guardianships. What's the process? What do we even do? Where do we even need to start? How much money is it going to cost? I'm here to tell you a guardianship is the last resort. Plain and simple. Is it expensive? Yes, it can be expensive. People always ask, well, where do I even begin? I don't know where to start. The first thing that we need as the attorneys is what's called a Certificate of Medical Examination, CME for short. This is a letter that we give to you to provide to the doctor. Basically, it's a checklist. It's a fill in the blank that the doctor fills out. It asks about what the diagnosis is, what's the prognosis, do any medications make the symptoms better or worse or unchanged. It also gives a list of questions where the doctors basically just answer yes or no. What that does is it allows us to see exactly what the potential incapacity is. Questions such as, do they have a right to vote? Do they have a right to drive? Do they have a right to marry? Do they have a right to enter into contracts? Do they have a right to make their own medical decisions? And again, the list does go on, but the doctor is basically just checking yes or no, and that gives us a starting point to exactly what the incapacity is and what rights should be taken away from someone. That is never anything to be taken lightly. The last thing we ever want to do as attorneys here at the Ashmore Law Firm is take away rights of an individual when it's not 100% necessary. So please, if you are considering a guardianship, you must make sure that you do talk to a qualified guardianship attorney that can explain the process to you, and not to explain it to you so that you become so overwhelmed over it, but just to explain it to you so that it is a smooth process and it's a place for you to start. Thank you.